Hi, I'm Janos, VP of Measurement at Funnel, and welcome to the final part of our mini-series on marketing measurement. We've now covered MMM and data-driven MTA, incrementality testing, and we have one more exciting topic left: triangulation. Unified marketing measurement through triangulation is a relatively new approach to marketing measurement, which combines multi-touch attribution, marketing mix modeling, and testing. It leverages the strength while at the same time mitigating the disadvantages of each of the methodologies discussed above. Triangulation combines three core methodologies: multi-touch attribution, marketing mix modeling, and incrementality testing or geolift testing. Together, they provide a holistic view of your marketing performance. MTA tracks user interactions across multiple touchpoints, offering detailed insights into user behavior and campaign performance, especially for digital channels. Marketing mix modeling, MMM, analyzes aggregate data to evaluate both online and offline media, aiding in high-level strategic planning and understanding the big picture. Incrementality testing uses controlled experiments to measure the true causal impact of your marketing activities, validating and calibrating your other measurement models. Here's how it works. The real strength of triangulation lies in its ability to integrate these methodologies. By combining data from MTA, MMM, and incrementality testing, we can mitigate the weaknesses of each and tell a consistent data story. Seamless data integration is crucial here. Aggregate and user-level data need to be aligned and collected simultaneously to ensure consistency. Accurate cost matching allows communication between different models, enabling more comprehensive analysis. Automation also plays a key role in this system. It should run daily without regular human intervention, reducing the risk of errors, biases, and increasing usability. What are the benefits of unified marketing measurement? Unified marketing measurement system helps marketers make informed decisions, for example with smarter budget allocation. MMM guides the high-level budget allocation, while MTA provides insight for optimizing individual campaigns. It also allows for continuous learning and experimentation by ensuring models remain accurate and reliable. Incrementality testing verifies models' predictions, allowing for constant calibration and improvement. Unified marketing measurement also gives a holistic view. This integrated approach allows marketers to focus on the insights rather than the intricacies of each model. To implement the system effectively, there are 4 focus points to keep in mind. Data collection. Ensure simultaneous collection of aggregate and user-level data. Cost matching. Link media contributions from MMM with detailed MTA data. Automation. Implement systems that run daily without requiring regular human intervention. And fourth, experimentation. Continuously run experiments to validate and refine the measurement models. In summary, triangulation and unified marketing measurement provide a powerful framework for understanding and optimizing your marketing efforts. By leveraging the strength of MTA, MMM, and incrementality testing, and ensuring seamless data integration and automation, you can achieve a holistic and accurate view of your marketing performance. If you like this video, check out the other 3 parts to the series in the playlist. And subscribe to our channel where you learn more about digital marketing, marketing data and analytics, and data visualization tips and tricks. All the great content you need to shortcut your way to being a better marketer.